details. So basically, in the latest version, they started to provide a one installer. So we are going to use the CentOS here. Yeah. So this is the one DAR package. Okay, this is what we are going to use it. We are not going to use the classic. Okay. So from the latest version, we are going to use the Salt 3005. Okay. So let us use we are using CentOS 7. So let me use this. So first, I'm going to import the RPM public key. Okay. And then I'm going to get the repo. So this is the latest repo, yum repo. Okay. I'm just going to add it to the etc yum.repos.d/salt. And after that, I'm going to install these components into it. Okay. So let us do that one by one. This is the first command. And after that, if you do a right click, the paste should work. So it's just going to create a yum repo in this location. Here only hereafter only we are going to install the packages. We have just created a yum repo and telling that yum where it should go and download the RPM packages. Now we are going to install the packages. So the first thing I'm going to use it, I'm going to install the salt master. Install salt -master -y. So this will install the master. Those commands. Then the salt SSH, salt syndic, and then the salt cloud. And the salt API. Let me copy all the commands. Alt Shift. Then let me just put it there. And then right click. So let it install all the packages needed. Okay, so all are completed. Let me start the services. Next, the set of commands. So where I'm going to this will start the salt master. I'm may not need a minion here, but let me install it. Minion. The same thing for API and Syndic.